guys, it's Danica. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I make my TikTok videos. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know what TikTok is already, but if you don't, it's basically a music video platform. In the app, you can post different kinds of short videos. You could put filters, you could put effects, and you can also put songs. This is my TikTok account and my ID is Danica_O. Usually, yung mga pinopost ko dito is makeup related. So this is my profile. If you go to this button, I think this is the home page, and makikita mo sa taas may following and for you. So if you go to for you, makikita mo yung iba't ibang TikTok videos. Tapos if you go to following, makikita mo naman yung mga TikTok videos ng mga accounts na fina-follow mo. If you go here, I think ito yung explore page nila. Merong search bar sa taas, so you can search users, you can search different kinds of hashtags, and also different kinds of sounds. And then makikita mo din dito yung iba't ibang mga trending hashtags. So, ayan. If you go to this button, makikita mo yung mga direct messages mo. Dito sa fans, makikita mo yung mga nag-follow sa'yo. Dito naman sa like, makikita mo yung mga nag-like ng videos mo. Dito sa @me, makikita mo yung mga nag-mention sa'yo. And then, sa comments, yung mga nag-comment sa videos mo. Lastly, we have this plus button where you can create your TikTok videos. So, dito sa taas, you can pick a sound. Sobrang daming songs and other sounds na pwede mong pagpilian. Dito sa flip button, you can just flip the screen. And then, meron itong speed button. So, pag pinress mo yung speed off, mawawala yung numbers dito sa bottom part. Pero pag in-on mo, makikita mo siya. And then, my beautify, ito yung mga filters. Iba't ibang mga filters. And sobrang daming filters. And then, my smooth, which just smoothens out your face. And sa shape, parang pinapaliit lang yung face mo. Ayan. Pero usually, sa mga TikTok videos ko, wala kang ginagamit na filter, smooth, or shape. And then, meron ding timer. And then, we have effects. Sobrang daming effects ng TikTok, as in, tapos super cute pa nila. So, ayan. Iba't ibang effects. Ayan. Dito mo makikita yung hot na effects, and then, ito yung mga bagong effects, and then, ito yung mga face effects. Ayan, tulad nito. Itong mga numbers na nandito, ito yung speed. Kapag nag-start ka mag-film, usually yung ginagamit ko is 2x. So, kapag nag-start ako mag-shoot ng 2x, magiging slow-mo yung pag-shoot ko, pero yung result niya magiging mabilis. So, ganun din kapag kunwari 0.5 yung ginamit mo. Pag nag-start ka mag-shoot, magiging super bilis, pero yung result niya magiging super slow. Tapos yung red button na to, obviously, ito yung pre-press mo when you're gonna start to shoot na. So, merong tap to shoot, which is ganyan. And then, you can tap to stop it. Tapos, meron din long press to shoot. So, pwede mong i-hold. Tapos, pag binitawan mo, magsa-stop. And then, pwede ka din mag-upload ng different videos from your camera roll. So, ayan. So, nagagawa ako ng video para lang mapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako gumagawa. Ito na lang yung gagawin ko, yung hashtag shaman trick. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Pero kasi ito yung pinakamadali. So, ayan. Pre-press ko lang tong sound. Tapos, I'm gonna press this button to start shooting. Wait lang, ulitin ko. Sobrang pangit lang ng gawa ko kasi demo lang naman. Okay, so after that, pwede kang maglagay ng special effects. So, iba't iba yan. Ayan. So, parang ganyan. And then, dito. Wait. Ayan. Pero ayoko mag-slow mo. Pwede ding repeat, reverse, or wala. So, ayan. Tapos, save ko lang yan. And then, dito sa select cover, ito yung parang thumbnail ng video mo. So, you can just select any Pwede rin mag-add ng filter. Then next, lalagay mo lang yung hashtag kasi we're doing a challenge. So, lalagay ko yung hashtag shaman TIK and then post. So that is how I make my TikTok videos. TikTok is available on iOS and Android for free. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you still haven't. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!